Hey, it's Matthew here. Now, if you're watching this, you're probably dealing with the classic dilemma. So many washers and dryers out there to choose from, but which one's actually right for you? Now, with all the options, features, and specs out there, it's very easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if I told you that there is a machine that saves space, combines both your washer and dryer in one unit, and makes your laundry day a whole lot easier? Now, this incredible machine is right here with me. It's the highly anticipated LG WashTower. Now, it has been creating all kinds of buzz over the past 2 years, and today I am going to deep dive into it and show you why. So the LG WashTower is a washer and dryer combined in one seamless design. And today I'm going to show you two models, okay? Specifically the WT2116 and WT1410, okay? Each in different sizes and colors to fit your needs and lifestyle. With its sleek, space-saving design, the WashTower can be placed absolutely anywhere in your home. The LG WashTower lineup includes two color options. You've got one in striking full black steel, and the other right over here in a blend of nature green and beige, allowing you to choose the style that suits you the best. Now, if you look at these two units, both units are made out of corrosion-resistant stainless steel for lasting durability, and with color options designed to make your laundry space that much more stylish. Now, the nature green and beige model measures 60 centimeters in width, 66 centimeters in depth, and close to 166 centimeters in height, just slightly shorter than I am. And the black steel model right over here, it's slightly larger, as you can see, 70 centimeters in width, 77 centimeters in depth, and 189 centimeters in height. The LG WashTower is, of course, actually designed with a combined washer and dryer in a single unit to maximize space efficiency and, of course, offer ergonomic comfort when you compare it to your traditional stacked washer dryer setups. Now, these two LG WashTower models offer different capacities to suit all kinds of household needs. The black steel model includes a 21 kilogram washer and a 16 kilogram dryer, perfect for households of 4 or more. But if you're fewer than 4 persons at home, don't worry about it. You can go for the nature green and beige model, which has a 14 kilogram washer and a 10 kilogram dryer. Just pick the right capacity depending on your family size and washing preferences. Now, both models, of course, come with 2 independent power sockets, which means that you can wash and dry at the same time. For example, if you like to separate your loads by color, well, you can just start by washing your white clothes, and then once they're in the dryer, you can reload the washer with colored clothes. Thanks to LG WashTower's ability to wash and dry simultaneously, I'm telling you, your laundry routine becomes absolutely hassle-free and even fun. So here's another standout feature of the LG WashTower. Its center control panel that's designed to be super accessible for everyone in the family. It's located in between the washer and the dryer, as you can see, and this intuitive all-in-one center control is really unlike your conventional stack setups just like this one, where the functions are not integrated and it's difficult to use and you kind of have to stretch and use it. Not very user-friendly at all. Now, back to the LG WashTower. You can start a wash cycle instantly, just like this. And really, this is all thanks to the user-friendly design that enhances usability, especially for families sharing laundry duties. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the door features. At first glance, of course, they might seem simple, but if you look very, very closely, you'll notice 2 hidden door grabs just behind the dryer door. And of course, there is one behind the washer door. Now, these are of course cleverly hidden to keep the WashTower's sleek, minimalist design intact, giving it a luxurious look. Plus, the doors are made with high-quality tempered glass on both the inside and the outside, ensuring durability and safety. So, as we move into the washer, you'll see and notice that the drum is crafted entirely out of full stainless steel, which means it's more hygienic, it is more reliable, and it provides high-quality care for your fabrics. Not sure which wash cycle to choose for your clothes? Well, don't worry about it. Just let LG WashTower's smart feature, the AIDD or Artificial Intelligence Direct Drive, take care of it for you. This advanced feature basically allows it to detect fabric softness and weights through AI deep learning along with 6 motions to optimize its washing pattern. Leveraging on AI deep learning, the WashTower has over 20,000 big data built in with various fabric characteristics to deliver precise care. By detecting fabric softness, AIDD automatically selects the ideal washing pattern and activates 6 unique motions, namely tumble, which is great for heavy fabrics like denim jeans or thicker materials. It also does stepping. This smooths out creases in the fabrics. Swing, and that is specifically designed for delicate fabrics. It also does scrub, which tackles tough stains like ketchup or barbecue sauce. It also does rolling, which is amazing at removing tough stains with gentler motions. And last but not least, filtration. Perfect for dense fabrics. We're talking about duvets, pillowcases, floor mats. These motions, combined with LG's direct drive motor, give your clothes the perfect balance of gentle care and powerful cleaning. Thanks to LG's direct drive, the advanced vibration control and inverter technology also means that you're going to enjoy a quieter, smoother laundry experience with less noise and fewer vibrations. LG's TurboWash 360 technology is an absolute game changer for saving time and washing efficiently. It basically uses powerful water jets that spray from 4 directions to enhance washing performance, which ensures better water efficiency and improved detergent activation. Also, what do you do if you're in a rush to wash and dry clothes quickly, or you need a fresh load for your family in under an hour? Well, the LG WashTower is actually perfect for that with its quick wash and quick dry cycles, plus a handy prepare to dry feature. Now, while the quick wash is running, you can preheat the dryer, cutting down on time by skipping the usual warm-up phase of standard dryers. And the best part is, the smart pairing feature automatically sets the dryer cycle to match the last wash cycle. So that means no need to reselect the settings. How cool is that? With these 2 models, the Nature Green and Beige model and the Black Steel model, you can complete a whole entire cycle in just within 60 minutes, saving you an hour compared to conventional washing machines. Imagine freshly washed and dry clothes in under an hour. Super convenient. Let's talk a little bit more about the heat pump. Alright, now you might be worried that high temperatures could damage your clothes or fabrics, but with LG's latest technology, the dual inverter heat pump is designed to be energy efficient while remaining gentle on fabrics. What's really cool is that the dual inverter compressor with the upper and lower cylinders keeps noise to an absolute minimum and ensures efficient, fabric-friendly drying. Unlike your standard machines out there with just 1 cylinder that are usually noisier and less energy efficient, I'm telling you, this technology over here is a game changer for quieter, more eco-friendly laundry days. Now, let me show you an essential feature, the dryer's dual lint filter. Unlike most brands, this dryer has a unique dual lint filtration system, which means that you enjoy 2 layers of filtration rather than the typical single filter. It's super easy to access, I just removed it effortlessly. This design makes it really convenient to use while also keeping things hygienic with minimal hassle. You know, sometimes regular cleaning just isn't enough, just ask my mom. We want our clothes to be as clean and hygienic as possible, and that is where LG Allergy Care Cycle comes in. It heats the water to 60 degrees Celsius, creating micro water particles that deeply penetrate the fabric. The steam then effectively removes 99.9% of common allergens, including dust mites, providing a thorough clean, especially important for young children with dust allergies. This feature has been rigorously tested and certified by the British Allergy Foundation, otherwise known as BAF, and Intertech. So, you can trust it for a thorough, allergy-friendly clean. Now, all the features I've introduced are just 1 click away with the LG ThinQ App, giving you access to the WashTower anytime, anywhere. Now, with LG ThinQ, you can select cycles with Cloud Cycle or download custom cycles tailored to your preferences. You can start washing and drying your clothes from any location whenever you need to. You can get notifications on the LG ThinQ app once the laundry is done. And check this out, you can monitor the WashTower's energy usage in real time. Now with LG ThinQ, managing your laundry is more convenient than ever. Have you ever worried yourself, what happens if one unit breaks down? Well, no sweat, because we've actually got you covered. The LG WashTower comes with a 10-year warranty on both the inverter direct drive motor as well as the dual inverter heat pump. Plus, LG's convenient doorstep service for in-home repairs. Also, remember, since the washer and the dryer have independent controls, you can in fact use one while the other is being repaired. So there you have it, the LG WashTower. If I had to sum it all up, the LG WashTower makes laundry easier than ever without worrying about fabric damage. Its compact, space-saving design really fits perfectly in any home. And the AI-powered features, of course, do a great job of taking care of your clothes. So just let the LG WashTower handle your laundry, and you'll have more time to enjoy the things you love with your family. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.